for batteries, but you'll still land with anxiety. Every time. The DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More combo costs $1,399, yet the batteries are the weakest link. Here's why that matters. The 1-inch CMOS sensor is a massive leap over the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3-inch, delivering 4K/60 frames per second HDR footage with noticeably better dynamic range and low-light performance. In sunset shots, the highlights don't blow out, and shadows retain detail that would have been mush on older Minis. The 225 degrees gimbal rotation is a creative game-changer. You can roll the camera for Dutch angles mid-flight or capture true vertical 9:16 without cropping. For social media creators, this means publishing ready vertical video straight from the drone, no editing tricks needed. Active Track 360 degrees is genuinely improved for action. It held a cyclist through tight turns and under tree canopies that would have stumped the Mini 4 Pro. The tracking is sticky and responsive, making it feel like a much pricier drone for following moving subjects. The Fly More combo's 4 batteries and charging hub keep you airborne for over an hour total, which is great for long shoots. The hub also charges all 4 sequentially, so you can top up overnight without babysitting each pack. At 249 grams, you still dodge most registration requirements, and the foldable design slips into a jacket pocket. It's the perfect travel companion. The 42 gigabytes internal storage is a handy buffer if you forget a microSD card. Here's what you get. Ultra-light, palm-sized foldable design. Compact and foldable, this palm-sized drone slips easily into a pocket and offers 42 gigabytes of internal storage for uninterrupted flying. 7 1-inch CMOS with 4K/60 frames per second HDR video. 1-inch CMOS sensor captures 4K/60 frames per second HDR video with sharp detail and vibrant colors for stunning high-quality footage, and true vertical filming and 225 degrees flexible gimbal rotation. Capture creative footage with a gimbal that offers true vertical filming and 225 degrees roll rotation from diverse angles and heights. The batteries are the Fly More's Achilles heel. Each pack only delivers 20 minutes of real-world flight, and in wind, that drops to 15. For $1,399, you'd expect either longer flight times or a faster charging hub, but DJI's packs still feel small and take 45+ minutes to refill. Obstacle sensing is incomplete, forward and downward only, so side and rear collisions are on you. The Mini 4 Pro had omnidirectional sensing, so this is a step backward. You'll need to manually watch your angles, especially in tight spaces. DJI's 42 gigabytes internal storage is generous, but the drone lacks a built-in screen on the RC2. You're tied to your smartphone's brightness, which is a pain in bright sunlight. The RC2 zone screen is missing, a feature the pricier RC Pro offers. At $1,399, you're paying a premium for the 1-inch sensor, but the Mini 4 Pro Fly More, with similar features and omnidirectional sensing, often costs $300 less. If you don't need the larger sensor, you're overpaying for marginal gains. If you prioritize image quality and vertical video, the Mini 5 Pro is the best sub-250 grams drone for creators, but at $1,399, the battery and sensing compromises sting. Wait for a sale or grab the Mini 4 Pro if you're budget conscious. Check the current price of the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More in the link below, and let me know if the battery life is a deal breaker in the comments.